Hello friends, today I will review this MI beard trimmer. This is made in China product. The best thing about this trimmer is that its backup battery is about 90 minutes. This is pouch in which the compacted trimmer is come. Here you can see this is trimmer, quite efficient in removing the beard hair. This is LED which shows the charging, and this two heads come with this trimmer to set our beard and hair as well. Here's to manage the length of our hair by this. Two heads, 1 and 2. A small size, comes in a quite good pocket, easy to carry, and one brush to clean this beard. The sharpness of this blade is quite good. It easily removes our hair. This can also be removed like this to clean. The biggest disadvantage with this beard trimmer is this beard trimmer don't come with a adapter. This come with this only cable to charge it. You can also charge it with your laptop. So if you don't have plug, you can charge it with your laptop. The cord is quite long, enough long, and you can see this is easily placed into this. This is LED light which shows the charging. It have good battery life of about 90 minutes. Made in China product. So if your budget is under 1000 rupees, so this is a good option to think about it. With good battery life and compacted in size, easy to carry, good sharpness of blades, wire, and two heads for setting the length of our hair as well as beard. Okay then, thank you for watching my video.